Yo, YouTube, we back at it again. So today is fucking Tuesday. It is time to clean these shoes because, you know, I've been lazy the past few days. So, you know, we about to see what this little Crep Protect can do. You know, it's gonna be one of these little reviews. Trying to see if this thing clean up all my shoes. Some of them things dirty. I'm gonna only clean one or every one so I can show y'all some before and after. So let's get right into that. It's my first time using this. My usual product is Jason Marks, or I do it the old-fashioned way. You know, soap, water, and a toothpaste. Goddamn, not toothpaste, but toothbrush, man. You clean your shoes with toothpaste, but you record it. All right, first shoe done. You know, this good leather, you gotta give it a little minute to dry. Got them little stains on it. Alright, we about to see what it can do for these. Which one's messed up? No. We got the florals. This one. This is the one we gonna clean. It got stains. See that? Let's see if we get this out with this Crep. I hope so. This is supposed to be the best cleanup. Y'all know. Hey. Next shoe, yeah. Got some, you know, push the teeth things. They ain't really dirty, just the bottoms really. But, you know.
Got 3 pairs down. You know, got 2 more to go. It's the King Pusher. Now we got these. Them swooshless. Y'all probably ain't never seen these like that. You know, if you want to see some more shoes that I got though, check out my video. It's going to be right there at the end. And we're done with the swooshless one. Now 1 more pair of shoes. We got coming up some Air Maxes. You know, only reason I did all these different shoes so y'all can see how it work on each different material. These, they my beaters, so we're gonna do this side. Right foot looks the worst. Woo! And this one might be done too. Boom! That thing looking brand new. And this is the last one. Now I'm about to go ahead and show you guys some before and after. Be right back with it. Dirty, son. Well, really over here, dirty, son. And bottoms don't look that bad. Next up, we have these things. These were terrible. I wear these every day. Look, paint brushing off. And dirty. We got the King Pusher. Motherfucking push T. I'm gonna drop this shit in the pool. That'd have been perfect. Just the bottom's dirty. A little texture wear up there. But the bottom's just dirty. We got these masterpieces. You know,
These things, they're fire. They pretty dirty too. Bottoms, you know I wear the fuck out of them. And the last shoe from the cleaner, got these motherfuckers right here. Ooh. They don't look that bad, but just the bottoms. These are my babies too. Okay, now time for you guys to see the after. We have first up the bread ones. Oh, that thing ain't looking spotless now. Woo-wee. Look at her, spotless. It's a little dirt on the bottom still, but you know, spotless. You feel me? KD sauce. Look, spotless compared to the other one. Spotless, my G. The bottoms, they're way more cleaner, but you know, clear bottoms stay dirty somewhat. Can't ever keep them shits clean. The Pure Boost. It's still drying a little bit right here in the front, but the bottoms, they got a lot cleaner. We got these right here again. They look brand new now. Look at these zippers. They look brand new now. Whoa! They look like they only been worn once, man. And then the 97s. Look at how clean they are compared to the dirty one. Ooh. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. You guys want to see some more heat like this, you know, we got some more 4K visuals coming soon. But you know, like, comment, subscribe, click that bell so you can stay up to date with all the new videos. And other than that, you guys be safe and have a good one. Doses.
ATM. Trap Johnson, man. SSO, 50 grand. Ivy League. Yeah.
She wanna party. We in the party. She on her body. She off of Molly. She tryna party. I told her pardon. Told her to pop it. We in the party. She wanna party. She popped a Molly.